Hello and welcome to Grade 10 Mathematics, Chapter Real Numbers and Topic Introduction to Euclid's Division Lemma. Language English. Let me read the question for you. A multimillionaire Ray wants to distribute part of his property among his relatives and friends equally, and you are hired to carry out this task, and the amount to be given away is given in the form of a puzzle, and the puzzle is given in these lines. If distributed between two persons, if the amount is distributed between two, 1 million left, between 3, 2 millions left, between 4, 3 millions left, between 5, no money left, and at most he wants to give away only 50 millions. So if we consider the amount that is unknown to be x, x is definitely less than or equal to 50 millions. So as x is less than or equal to 50 millions, it should be any one of these numbers you see in this table from 1 to 50. From among the given conditions, we will go ahead with the last one. You will understand why. If distributed among 5 persons, no money is left. In the picture, you see 5 persons and no money left. So they are given equal amounts of share and no money should be left. Suppose the first one gets M millions, the second one too gets M, the third one also M, fourth lady M millions and fifth lady M. So all together we have 5 M's. So repeated addition can always be written as a multiplication 5 times M, 5M. So x, the required number, is in the form of 5M. What are the multiples of 5 you see in the table? Otherwise, what are the numbers that are divisible by 5? Those numbers only are to be taken as the value of x. If you can see, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Alright, 5 3 is 15, 15 is divisible by 3, 5 5 is 25, 5 7 is 35, 5 9 is 45. All the numbers are divisible by 5, meaning they are all multiples of 5. 5 8s are 40, 5 10s are 50. So these two columns qualifies to be the answer, meaning any one of these numbers could be the value of x. Any one of these columns qualify to be our answer. Alright. Let us go ahead with the next condition. If distributed between 2 persons, 1 million is left. Here you see 2 persons and 1 million left. Suppose if one person is given P millions, the next one is also given the same P millions, and 1 million is left. Altogether, P plus 1 millions are left. So P plus P plus 1, P plus P is like adding like terms, you get 2P plus 1. So the value of x is 2P plus 1 millions. We already know that 2P plus 1 is form of an odd number. 2P is an even number, 1 added would be an odd number. So from all the values we have, we will strike off even numbers and keep the odd numbers only. So if we see here, this column we can keep because all of them are odd, but the other column we have only even numbers. 10 is even, so strike it off. 20, 30, 40, 50 are all gone because all of them are even. So we keep only the odd numbers. So now we have narrowed down our options. So we are left with 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. All these 5 numbers that qualify to be the value of x. Let's go ahead with the next condition. If distributed among 3, 2 millions are left. Here in the picture you can see 3 persons and 2 millions left. Suppose the first one gets k millions, the second one also gets the same, the third one also gets the same. So after they getting k million each, 2 millions will be left in this case. Plus 2 gives you the value of x. So the total amount distributed is this. So adding all the like terms, k plus k plus k is 3k plus 2 is the value of x. Meaning when you divide x by 3, the remainder would be 2. We are left with 5, 15, 25, 35 and 45. Only these 5 possibilities. So in here we are going to divide each number by 3 to see if we get the remainder 2. Yes, this one qualifies. 15, 3 5s, 15 exactly divisible, so the remainder would be 0. So this is not qualified. 25, 3 8s are 24, 1 is the remainder but not 2, so this is not qualified. 35, 3 1 is 3, 0, 5, 3 1 is 3, remainder is 2, qualified. So this one could be the possible value of x. 45, 3 1 is 3, 1 and 5, 3 5s, 15, 0 is the remainder. So we are left with only 2 possibilities. X can be 5 or x can be 35. Let us see with the next condition. So we are left with the last condition. If distributed among 4 persons, 3 millions are left. So in the picture you see 4 persons. Say the first one gets C. So immediately the other 3 also get the same. C plus C plus 3 is 4C and 3 millions are left. So plus 3. So altogether you have so many millions being given away by Mr. Ray. So X is equal to 4C plus 3. Meaning when you divide the value of x with 4, you get a remainder of 3. We are left with just 2 options, 5 and 35. Divide them to get remainder 3, otherwise reject it. So 5 divided by 4, check if you get the remainder 3. 35 divided by 4, 4 ones 4, so 5 minus 4 is 1, but we need to have 3 as a remainder, so 5 rejected. 4 8s are 32 and the remainder is 3 accepted. So The value of X is 35. X is 35. So the total amount given away by Mr. Ray is 35 millions. Now that we came to know the value of X to be 35 million, meaning Mr. Ray is willing to give away 35 millions to his friends and relatives. We will go ahead with the conditions and verify the same and check how much does each get going to each of the pages. Yes, here there are 5 persons and 5 M we have taken the total amount to be. So 35 is 5 M, meaning 5 times M. 5 sevens is 35, we know that. So each one would get 7 million. So this one would get 7 and the other 7, 14. 14 plus 7, 21 plus 7 is 28. 28 plus 7 is 35. In this case, the amount distributed is 5 sevens, 35 millions. Let's go to the next case. Here we have come across an odd number, 2p plus 1. So 35 is 2p plus 1, then the value of p is 35 is equal to 2 17s 34 plus 1, meaning this guy gets 17 millions and the other one gets 17 millions. 17 plus 17, 34 plus 1 left. So altogether 35 millions. In this case, each one got 17 millions. Earlier, 5 members, 5 sevens, 35. Alright, the next case. Here, 3 persons have shared 35,000. So, 3 persons, 3 times 11 is 33 plus 2 left here. 2 left, meaning the first person would get 11, the second 11, the third 11, and 2 millions are left. So 11 plus 11 is 22, 22 plus 11 is 33, plus 2 is 35. So verified. Let's move to the next. So 35 should satisfy all the conditions. We are checking that now. So C plus C plus C plus C plus C. So 35 is 4 times C plus 3. So 4 8s 32 plus 3 35, meaning each one got 8 millions. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 32 plus 3. There is the remaining 3. That would account to 35 millions. 35 satisfied all the conditions. And the answer is 35 millions. Now it is Mr. Ray's choice to give away to 2 persons or 5 persons or 3 persons, whomever he like. Thank you.